Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Come on in, little one. It's like 6:54 in the morning and we're about to go to Wales.
Yeah.
Why are we going there?
We're going to go see Marc.
Yeah. We're going to go see Marc. Okay. It is bright and early. People that don't have jobs normally don't wake up at this time. But we do. So I was handing the camera to Geraldine to film some like travel B-roll, but she said, quote, I wasn't consulted that I had to hold this for the whole journey. It's too early for this shit.
I need coffee.
So we're going for petrol and coffee. Hello. 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 So say hello.
Castle del Picard.
Okay, so it's adventure o'clock. Here we are. Marc's driving. It's very dark.
There we go.
There we go. Marc's driving. She's in the back.
Hello.
Croeso I Gymru.
Yes, exactly that.
That means welcome to Wales.
Oh.
Learning a language. Just in case it's the only blue sky we see, I'm putting it on camera. Last time I came to Wales, it was chucking it down. Today's forecast is rain, but we're hopeful. This one's not doing very well. So we have arrived at Bala Lake, and the first outing for my new tripod. I've joined the ranks of the gorilla pod using masses, trying to channel my inner vlogger. I've got like my fancy camera with my fancy microphone and now my fancy tripod gorilla pod, so we'll see how it goes. But I gotta say, it's damn heavy. For anyone that's been vlogging on a setup like this regularly, like, good on you, you must have biceps of steel. Take a look around, this is stunning. I'm heading, there's a little jetty just out here that I'm going to, because it looks pretty special. Impromptu photo spot number 2, stunning. Just noticed all of the animal poo that I think I missed. I don't think I got it. I didn't even see it was there. It's leaving without me. Okay, so we have arrived at our secret Welsh location for our waterfall adventures. How's everyone feeling? Dad?
Great. I've got my Pop-Tart. To all the Americans out there, brilliant.
Yeah, Pop-Tarts are good.
we found our secret waterfall. Marc was like some sort of like tracker, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Sniffing the air,
He stopped.
tasted the soil.
Look, I hear it.
He broke a piece of grass, threw it up in the air, and he saw the bits of grass below to the left, and he knew we had to turn off the path. Okay everybody, we have just got done at Marc's.
Oh, we had such a good time.
Yeah, pizza, great chat, so nice to see him because it's the first time we've seen him, right?
Yeah. And to see his parents as well. It's been a long time.
And Marley.
And Marley the dog.
But yeah, so now it's the drive home. We won't be vlogging, so this is the end of our Welsh adventure. I think it's been a success.
I think so too.
Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye.